If I told you that you don't need to quickly change your life to become, don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. every day, don't need to work 15 hours a day, you don't need to become a complete different person overnight. According to James Clear's book, Atomic Habits, transformation comes from something much just 1% better every day. That tiny improvement can complete your life. Most people want massive results immediately. They want to get rich quickly. They want to become successful overnight. They want to get fit in a few weeks. But success rarely works that way. The biggest changes in life usually come from small actions repeated consistently. That's the core idea behind Atomic Habits. So let's break down some of the most powerful lessons from this book. Imagine you improve yourself by just 1% every single day. 1% doesn't sound impressive, but over time, those small improvements begin to compound. Think about going to the gym. One workout won't transform your body. Reading one page won't make you an expert. Saving $10 won't make you wealthy. But when you repeat those actions every day, they become powerful. The problem is that we often underestimate small actions because we can't see the results immediately. You may work hard for weeks and see almost no difference, but that doesn't mean nothing is happening. Your habits are building the foundation. Success is often invisible before it becomes obvious.